Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of today's lecture is chemical reaction of furan. Outline of today's lecture include electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. Furan, similar to benzene, undergo various types of electrophilic substitution reactions such as nitration, sulfidation, acylation, etc. So we'll discuss in detail electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. Reaction with nucleophile such as butyl lithium. Ring opening reaction and ring opening reaction happen in the presence of acid, in the presence of a free radical initiator, or either in the presence of photon. So we will discuss all the methods for the ring opening reactions of furan. Addition reactions and the specific addition reaction, and well-known example is the Diels-Alder reaction, in which the furan is reacted with alkyne to produce an poly and dihydronaphthalene derivative. Reaction with ammonia to produce the pyrrole molecule. And at the end, I will talk about photochemical reaction of furan molecule with aldehyde to produce some addition product. So we will discuss these reactions one by one. Learning outcome. At the end of this lecture, every student will be able to describe various chemical reactions of furan to obtain biologically active compounds such as Zintac. Zintac is one of the medicine used for the stomach ulcer. So electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. The five-membered ring furan are 5 electron rich aromatic because 6 pi electrons are delocalized over 5 atoms, while in benzene the 6 pi electrons are delocalized by 6 atoms. So therefore, if we compare the furan molecule with benzene molecule, furan molecules are electron rich and it can undergo electrophilic substitution reaction easily as compared to the benzene molecule, because the 6 pi electron delocalization or 5 atom make them more reactive than benzene. And furan is similar to an activated benzene like methoxybenzene molecule. In case of methoxy substituted benzene, the methoxy group donate electron pair through resonance effect to the benzene molecule and activate the benzene molecule for electrophilic substitution reaction. So furan contains 6 pi electron on 5 atoms, therefore furan is also similar to the activated benzene molecule and it can undergo various types of electrophilic substitution reaction. Here is the resonance structure of furan molecule, and one can see that when then this lone pair of electron shift toward here, this pi electron shift toward this carbon atom, so producing a carbonide or electron rich position at position 3 of the furan molecule. So the electrophilic substitution reaction is possible at position 3. And in the second resonance form, we can see that when this electron pair shift over here, this pi electron shift toward this carbon atom, so it is also electron rich at position 2 of the furan molecule. So the electrophilic substitution reaction can either be take place at position 2 or either take place at position 3 molecule. Because in these two next resonance form, one can see that the negative charge are electron rich center are position 2 and position 3. So furan undergo electrophilic substitution reaction either at position 1 position 2 or either at position 3, because it have electron rich center at position 2 and position 3. So furan undergo various types of electrophilic substitution reactions such as nitration. Furan can easily react with nitric acid in the presence of suitable reagent to produce the nitrofuran molecule. Second one is sulfonation, that it can easily react with sulfur trioxide to produce the furan sulfonic acid. Third one is halogenation, in which furan is reacted with halogen, specifically bromine or chlorine, to produce the brominated or chlorinated furan molecule. Fourth one is acylation. It can easily react with acyl chloride to produce the acyl substituted furan molecule. The fifth one is the reaction with aldehyde and ketone to produce alcohol molecule. In case of formaldehyde, a primary alcohol is produced, and when it is treated with ketone molecule, it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction in producing the secondary and tertiary alcohol molecule. Secondary or tertiary alcohol substituted furan molecule. The sixth one is imine molecule. Furan can also undergo electrophilic substitution reaction with different types of imine, as well as it react with amide molecule to produce the electrophilic substituted furan molecule. So when an electrophile is added to the furan molecule, furan can be substituted either at position 2 or at position 3, as I mentioned in the previous slide in the resonance form, that it is electron rich either at position 2 or either at position 3. So when we when we reacted furan molecule either with nitronium ion, sulfur trioxide, halogen, or any other electrophile, then electrophile will either be substituted at position 2 or it will either substituted at position 3 of the furan molecule. So in case if this electrophile is substituted at position 2, this pi electron attack on this electrophile, then we obtain this species, intermediate species. So one can see when this pi electron attack on this electrophile, a positive species is formed at this carbon atom. And it can be resonated that is if this pi electron shift over here, this positive charge can exist on this carbon atom in the next intermediate state. And again, this lone pair of electrons shift over here, so positive charge exists on the oxygen atom. So we can see that it intermediate, the positive charge is neutralized by these three resonance form. And in the next step, the hydrogen is eliminated, and one can obtain the two substituted electrophilic product of furan molecule. In the second case, if the electrophile is substituted at position 3, then it can exist only in two resonating form, because when its electrophile, this pi electron attack on this electrophile, positive charge exists over here, and this positive charge is only neutralized by this lone pair of electron, this lone pair of electron shift over here. So the positive charge exists on this oxygen atom. So one can see that when there are more resonating form in the intermediate state, intermediate species, then it is more stabilized compared to those which have less resonance form. So generally when electrophile is added, the electrophilic substitution reaction is favored at position 2 instead of position 3. So when we added any electrophile, nitronium ion, sulfur trioxide, halogen, acyl, aldehyde, or ketone, it will be substituted at position 2 instead of position 3. If we want to substitute it with position 3, then we will try some other drastic condition to obtain the 3 substituted furan molecule. So generally, the electrophilic substitution reaction take place at position 2. We can say that substitution at position 2 is favored because the intermediate form is stabilized by more resonating form as compared to position 3, where only 2 resonating form is exist in the electrophilic substitution reaction of furan. So now we will discuss about these various types of electrophilic substitution reaction one by one. So starting from nitration. Nitration of furan. Nitration of furan can take place when furan is treated with nitric acid and acetic anhydride. When these two species are mixed, it produces the acetate ion and nitronium ion. And in this case, this lone pair of electron shift over here, this pi electron shift over here, and this pi electron attack on this nitronium ion. So to neutralize the positive charge of oxygen atom, the acetate ion attack on this carbon atom to produce the to neutralize the positive charge of the oxygen atom, and this intermediate species is obtained. And in the second step, pyridine is added, and it is act as a base to produce the nitrofuran molecule and acetic acid molecule. This pyridine take hydrogen from here, so this electron shift over here, this pi electron shift over here, and acetate ion is eliminated, taking the proton from the protonated pyridine molecule and eliminated in the form of acetic acid molecule and producing the nitrofuran molecule. The mechanism is mentioned over here, that this is the electrophile nitronium ion. When this lone pair of electron shift over here, this pi electron shift over here, and this pi electron attack on the nitronium ion to produce in the first step this species. So in the second step, to neutralize this oxygen atom, positive charge of oxygen atom, the acetate ion attack on this carbon atom and producing this intermediate species. So there are two possibility when this intermediate is formed. Then there are two possibility that either the acetate ion can take this proton and this electron shift over here, this pi electron shift over here, and this pi electron attack on oxygen atom to neutralize the positive charge of oxygen to produce the nitrofuran molecule. But in this case, this product is very small. The yield is very small for the nitrofuran molecule because this acetate ion have greater affinity to attack on this carbon atom, because this carbon atom is also electrophilic in nature because oxygen carrying the positive charge. So it can act either as a base to take this hydrogen atom, or can be act as a nucleophile to attack on this carbon atom to produce this species. So in this case, this is the minor product, and the major product is that acetate ion attack on this carbon atom and producing neutralizing the positive charge of oxygen atom and producing this intermediate species. And this is the major product. And this major product is then treated with a pyridine molecule, which act as a base, and base take hydrogen from here. So electron shift over here, this pi electron shift over here, and acetate ion eliminated, and it combined with the protonated pyridine molecule to produce the acetic acid molecule. So nitration of furane takes place in the presence of nitric acid and acetic anhydride. Second electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation of furan. Furan will react with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine and produce furane to sulfonic acid. So the mechanism is similar. This is the sulfur trioxide. This is electron deficient species sulfur. So this pi electron shift over here, this pi electron shift over here, and this pi electron attack on this sulfur atom, and one of the pi electron shift toward the oxygen atom. So in the next step, pyridine take hydrogen from here. So electron shift over here, this electron shift over here, and neutralizing the positive charge of oxygen atom. And then the protonated pyridine, the hydrogen is taken by this oxygen atom, which have negative charge. So by treating furan with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine, one can obtain furan to sulfonic acid molecule. The next reaction is halogenation. Furan reacted with bromine in the presence of dioxane solvent to produce the 2-bromofurane molecule, and the mechanism is similar to the nitration and sulfonation. That this pi electron shift over here, this pi electron shift over here, and this pi electron attack on the bromine atom, so eliminating the bromide ion, and the bromide ion take hydrogen from here to retain the aromaticity of this molecule. So by treating furan with bromine in the presence of dioxane solvent, the bromofuran molecule is produced with the elimination of hydrogen bromide. Next is acylation. Acylation is another electrophilic substitution reaction in which the furan is treated with acetyl chloride in the presence of boron trifluoride and diethyl ether to produce the 2-furanil ethanol molecule. So in this case, this lone pair of electron shift over here. So in the acylation process, the furan is treated with acetyl chloride in the presence of boron trifluoride and diethyl ether to produce the 2-furanil ethanol molecule. And in this case, this electron pair shift toward here, this pi electron shift toward here, and this pi electron attack on this carbon atom. When this pi electron shift toward here, it comes back, the chloride ion eliminated and producing 2-furanil ethanol molecule. The next reaction is with aldehyde and ketone. So furan molecule is reacted with acetaldehyde or formaldehyde in the presence of acid molecule to produce the furanil ethanol molecule. And one can see over here that the same reaction takes place. This lone pair of electron shift toward here, this pi electron shift toward here, and this pi electron attack on this carbon atom. And as acid already protonated, so it's converted to an alcohol molecule. And the counter ion of the acid take hydrogen from here to produce or retain the aromaticity of furan molecule. So by treating acetaldehyde, one can obtain the secondary alcohol of furan substituted secondary alcohol. When it is treated with an acetone molecule in the presence of acid, then this reaction proceed in the same mechanism, and we can obtain a tertiary alcohol, 2-furane substituted tertiary alcohol. If we use a formaldehyde molecule, then then a primary amine is obtained. So by treating furan with aldehyde and ketone, one can obtain primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohol depending on the nature of the carbonyl compound. When treated in the presence of acid, we can obtain primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohol substituted furan molecule. Next is reaction with amines. This is a imine structure. When it is treated with a furan molecule, the electrophilic substitution reaction take place. This lone pair of electron shift toward here, this pi electron shift over here, this pi electron attack on this carbon atom, neutralizing the positive charge of nitrogen, and then a hydrogen is eliminated from here to retain the aromaticity of furan molecule, and we can obtain the 2-furanyl and methyl methane amine molecule. Next is reaction with amide, and this is the well-known name reaction, Willsmere-Hecht reaction. And in this case, the amide N-dimethyl formamide is treated with furan molecule in the presence of phosphorus oxychloride to produce the furan molecule. And the mechanism is mentioned over here. And in the first step, phosphorus oxychloride is treated with the N-dimethyl formamide molecule. So it make a complex with this phosphorus. The chloride is eliminated, and it produces a positive charge on nitrogen atom, because when this is shipped toward here, then it's eliminated in the form of PO2Cl2, and this electron pair shift toward here, so nitrogen carrying the positive charge. And when this pi electron is shift toward the nitrogen atom, the carbon carrying positive charge, which is electrophilic in nature. So this electrophilic carbon is when treated with the furan molecule, it attack on this carbon atom. So this pi electron shift toward the nitrogen atom to neutralize the positive charge of nitrogen and obtaining this intermediate species. And then a hydrogen from here is eliminated to produce this species. And then when it is hydrolyzed with water, the water OH attack on this carbon atom, eliminating the chloride ion in the first step. And when the lone pair of electron of oxygen come toward here, the N-dimethyl is eliminated. So it's eliminated in the form of M2NH2Cl and producing the perfurel molecule. The next reaction is reaction with nucleophile, such as butyl lithium. When furan is reacted with N-butyl lithium in the presence of diethyl ether, one can obtain the 2 lithium substituted furan molecule plus butane molecule. And when this lithium substituted furan molecule is treated again with N-butyl lithium in the presence of trimethyl ethylene diamine and hexane solvent, one can obtain 2,5-dilithium furan molecule and N-butane. This is the structure of tetramethyl ethylene diamine molecule. And when lithium substituted furan molecule is treated in the presence of trimethyl ethylene diamine with butyl lithium, then one can obtain the dilithium substituted furan molecule. If we want to substitute lithium at position 3, then we treated the furan molecule with N-butyl lithium in the presence of tetrahydrofuran solvent at a temperature of -78 degrees centigrade to obtain the 3 lithium substituted furan molecule. And when this molecule is heated, it's produce this species, because this electron pair shift toward here, and this bond break, and oxygen carrying positive negative charge, lithium carrying positive charge, so both combine, and alkyne is produced from this ring opening reaction of furan lithium substituted furan molecule. Next reaction is ring opening reaction of furan. Ring opening of furan can take place under various conditions: in the presence of acid, in the presence of photon, or in the presence of a free radical initiator. So in the presence of acid, when an acid is treated with the furan molecule, then 1,4-dicarbonyl compound is obtained. And in this case, this lone pair of electron shift toward here. So pi electron attack on the hydrogen atom in the first step. Then the water molecule attack on this carbon atom to neutralize the positive charge of oxygen atom. Then this pi electron attack on this hydrogen atom, because oxygen carrying positive charge. So this electron shift over here, and ring opening happen. And producing this intermediate species, the water molecule take hydrogen from here and producing the 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. Ring opening can also be happen in the presence of photon. When one can use a photon, this carbon oxygen bond become weakened, so producing a free radical here and a free radical here. And this bond is also break and produce a free radical here and a free radical here. So this free radical and this free radical combine to produce this carbonyl compound. It becomes free radical here and a free radical here, which was formed from the breaking of this pi electron. So ring opening reaction also happen in the presence of photon. The ring opening reaction can also be happen in the presence of N-bromosuccinimate, which is a free radical initiator, and it produces two types of product. One is the major product. This is the 1,4-alpha beta unsaturated dicarbonyl compound, and it can also be converted to the minor product, the bromo-substituted fluorine molecule. So ring opening reaction can happen in the presence of acid, in the presence of photon, or by a free radical initiator. Next reaction is Diels-Alder reaction or addition reaction. When furane is treated with this cyclohexavan 3-diene 5-ine in the presence of tetrahydrofurane at minus 50 degrees centigrade, then this dihydronaphthalein molecule is obtained. And in this case, simply this pi electron and this pi electron make two new bonds. So here new bond and here new bond is formed to produce this dihydronaphthalein derivative. Next is reaction with ammonia. When furane is treated with ammonia in the presence of aluminum oxide at high temperature, then pyrrole is obtained. So when this is ammonia and furane is reacted in the presence of aluminum oxide at high temperature, so one can obtain the pyrrole molecule. The last reaction is the photochemical 2+2 cycloaddition reaction. Furan is photochemically added to aldehyde and ketone to produce the acetyl molecule. One can see over here that simple this 2 pi electron and this 2 pi electron produce an 4-membered ring and acetyl molecule. And when this acetyl molecule is treated with an acid, the acid protonate this oxygen atom, so it carrying the positive charge. And the counter ion of the acid take this hydrogen atom, so it's this electron shift toward here, and this ring opening happen and producing the 3-furanyl ethanol molecule. So this is all about the chemical reactions of furan molecule. So now what is the importance of these chemical reaction? So from these chemical reaction, one can obtain the ranitidine molecule, which is a medicine used for the ulcer of the stomach and intestine. So by various steps involving various chemical reactions of the furan molecule, one can obtain the Zentek. And the reaction steps are mentioned over here. The first reaction involved for the synthesis of ranitidine is the Welsmer-Heck reaction, which I have mentioned on slide number 10, that furan is when reacted with phosphorus oxychloride and water solvent, it can be obtained this furfural molecule, and then it is reduced to an alcohol. A hydrogen is added over here, hydrogen is added over here, then treated with a dimethylamine molecule. The nucleophilic substitution reaction take place to obtain this intermediate molecule, and then this intermediate molecule is treated with the thioamine molecule. And in this case, this oxygen attack on this carbon atom, because this oxygen this sulfur have lone pair of electron, so it attack on this carbon atom, eliminating the water molecule and producing this intermediate species, sulfur carrying the lone pair of electron, which attack on this carbon atom, eliminating the water molecule. And as HCl is used, so in the first step, this OH is protonated by the acid, so it's a good leaving group, water is a good leaving group, and then the sulfur attack on this carbon atom to produce this intermediate species. And when this intermediate species is treated with this alpha beta unsaturated nitro compound, then one can obtain the ranitidine molecule. So one can see that ranitidine synthesis involved various chemical reactions of the furan. So it's important to know about the various chemical reaction of furan molecule, because from various chemical reaction of furan molecule one can obtain biologically active compound. So summary of today's lecture, that we have discussed in detail various chemical reaction to obtain active molecules. We have discussed electrophilic substitution reaction in detail, addition reaction, and some other reaction of furan molecule. Here are some reference book for further study. Thank you.